I don't have time for the nonsense. I don't have time for people, you understand, forget defeat in them own war with them create on the internet and God show them up, right? For exactly who they are. And because in them heart, them know they've been defeated and them I run to the wall I run. Them I run to the tree I run. Them I run to the river I run. Every corner them go. The people them I run from them and I say them don't want have anything to do with it and they don't want to be a part of no evil, no wickedness and nothing like that. Right? So therefore now to everybody around cause the whole internet see the truth over my other vlogging page I did have. Them block the page for 30 days. I can't go live over there. You understand? I'm now going to go up on my business page with this period. I'm over here right now. I'm shouldn't even over here so my family them there. And people would do care about me and check for me. You understand? But this Eric, the woman is just a sinful, lying ass creature. Get up this Saturday morning, this beautiful day. Instead of she find something positive to do with her life. She get up on my name, Nicole name, Keiko name, and Goffin Lady C for drag Lady C in her back raga and her boogering and all because the lady said I don't want to be a part of that. Family to take care of. This wicked witch. I tell lies that people are go around and I recruit and I do all kind of crazy stuff. Like I don't understand these people mentality. I don't understand their thought process. I don't understand the way how they think. Because I'm saying life is so beautiful on this side of town. Is I'm saying there's no lack over here, so there's no wants over here. So I'm blessed and I'm why all of a sudden she come out with all these wicked lies so people write name in the lady make page in the lady name. Me come on the internet come see all of them page in the woman name. And then on the wayside me come see them while going through the journey. How much people, me see them pin on page and not one of them can come with the real book of truth, which is the IP address, right? Which is any form that person make the page. This woman just get up and just hold on to straw. And anybody who will listen to her, she will speak nothing but lies on people's name. Like I don't want to be a part of no bagaraga. I don't want to be a part of no mix-up. I don't have time for it. Me and my friend them gone we is how long. Nobody now look on the gorilla woman. And this woman wake up in England this morning with you tell me say with nothing to do. Imagine the woman of her son, her 19-year-old, I got 20, behind bars all in life. And him currently behind bars. She have her other big son will get deported in a Jamaica. And I ask him, mommy, my money. And she don't have the young man money to give him. These are the things she need to focus on and stop tell lie on my name. Me not see her, me not use her. Me busy over the store. Me busy at my work. Me busy I ship off the people them order. There's nothing you can do in life to stop me. You are nobody. Gorilla woman look around in one of the mirror them where you have in your house and the people them rent house where them are currently evict you out. Start pack up the dirty, dusty things them where you have in your house for move out of the landlord house. And a me make your life turn out so. And a Nicole make your life turn out so dirty post. And a Keiko make your life turn out the way it is. Why you get up this Saturday morning and tell life and way? Why you being so evil and malicious? And a me make it your man where you pick up with your my name. They in a detention center in a Mexico, one of them Spanish country there. Why you get up this morning and tell lie to the world and tell lie for my name? With the zero people them around you like yourself. Like I'm doing big things in life. I'm making big moves, big step. I'm not looking back. It's over. We are gone. It's finished. You were my downfall. My entire family been telling me this. And all because I know you go through trauma. Your father molests you. I show you nothing but love and empathy. And this is how you're going to repay me with all these lies? Or because I walk away from you? I don't have time for it no more. I want my life to keep on being blessed like how God been blessing me. So you're going to push your life this morning and tell lies? Oh, Erica do this. Erica farmer evil. My aunt not going to know farmer iniquity. My aunt too blessed. What you mean me send money for kill Tani? What a vicious lie. What do you aim to achieve when you tell all these lies on my name? Dirty puss. Puss, me no want you dirty up my name no more. It's over. I don't know you from the way I meet you on the internet. I've done nothing but good for you. You cannot name one good that you have ever done for me. Leave me alone and go live your life. You have your grandkids with the other family. I grow one of your daughter, grandson. You got a lot on your plate to be worrying about Erica, Nicole, and Keiko. I'm not worrying about you because you're the least of the apostrophe. I'm trying to tell lie for my name. I don't see you. I'm not using you. I'm not letting you brainwash me anymore with lies and evil. And tell me Tanya and her family them want to kill her brother. That's a lie. Because you never come with receipt. You only come with your dirty, rotten, insipid, dirty STD mouth full of lies. Why am I there on my journey and live my life and you get up this Saturday morning? Nobody not see you. You over there cook your dirty water. Bowl soup. You want the soup look alike? Because if you ask me it look like doodle water doodle. That not look like soup. Your mother never teach you no home training. Remember you take your mother man. And you currently lay down in the bed with your matey. After how much years of not speaking to the woman who bring you up on the face of the earth. You got a lot of other things on your plate to be worrying about me and to tell lie on me. I'm a friend them will not use you no more dirty ugly post. Stop tell lie on Erica name. Me no make no fake page and nobody name and a post nobody and da. As far as when it come to the lady, me and the woman never have no cuss out. Me and the woman never have no problem. Me no stoop them type of loader like you. I remember so you have your daughter them, you know. Your big adult daughter them, I do the things them, you know. Make you talk the truth now. Remember you have your big adult daughter them, go on like so them now do the things them. And you and them I do the evil. And your friend them. What Billy Page them for you. Not Erica. So we are trying for this morning. What are you trying to do? Nobody not believe you, lady. You run to everybody for them tag team with you. For tell lie upon me. And spread evil out upon me. And it don't work. 2019, it's over. You're not my problem. You hate your mother, you hate your sister them all your life. And since me and my friend them say it's over, enough for you, you're not gonna change. Because hurt people try to hurt other people. And woman is a damaged goods. Nothing can change you. Me bring professional help on you for free. And not even that you could have grasped. Because you're a primary school dropout. You don't know no good life. Me take you out of taxi in a Jamaica 2020. And have your palav in my cousin them Benz. You don't know about them life, the dirty woman. Me take you out of the ghetto and go around and advocate for you. And me and my friend them jump up. I'ma send you 50,000 Jamaican dollar for take you out of Harborview for carrying a fancy hotel. Go make you live a little life. No, but no girl never did a pay for no friendship, boy, yeah? And because we have it like that and we can do it. And when we do it, it not jerk, no decimal around here. We not talk about buy friendship and beg and this and that. No. We have love in our heart. Come together. And me would have be like, say, the person who will go to them and say, boy, Keiko, Ray, Gorilla Puss birthday come up, you know. Make a big her up and send her a thing for your birthday. That is not nothing. That's an act of kindness towards a stranger. And that's who we are, who did I help you out naturally. Remember your lifestyle of a compa, IG come put out, cash up. Me not do them something there. Bank of America know me. Wells Fargo know me. I have a residual income and me right now, me do a little hustling. What you said to me, woman? Why you out here trying nasty up me clean name? Nobody don't want a friend from you. Remember, we did a try to help you and keep you off of the internet. When you create the chat. You create a chat for come ask we what is our take on you taking back a man. We're bringing down on the internet for 8 months. With him family. You understand what I say? I'm not looking at the haves not. And I don't look at one wing drunker. Me not look pan no vomit and no diarrhea. Me a deal with the wicked target at hand. What come out and do the things them for my good name. Why? Because God bless me. Because I have ambition. Because I now walk a mind man like Uno. How we go? What are you trying to prove when you come out this morning and I say about this and that with Dan, this and that with Tanya, and this and that with the lady across the road? What are you trying to prove? Let go off of my G-string. Let go off of my name Dirty Puss. You're an evil, sinful, cruel, stay bad, ugly-hearted, cold-blooded, wicked woman. I'm a curse the day I ever know you. I spit on the day I ever know you. And a me make your father rape you. And a me make Omar keep and I get deported. Every country him go. Leave me alone. Stop coming in your mouth. Come and now use you. You're rubbish. You're trash. You're a dirty piece of work. You're a liar. You're a Jezebel. You're a dirty person that have nothing but dirty things in your mouth for say. And you have your kids them in the house. You're wicked. You're nothing but evil. I'm an hate you. hate you, me hate you, me hate you, Janet Bailey. Me hate you. With every drip of blood in my body, me hate you. I remember me first hate you. Remember me first run your way. Remember my block and delete you out of my entire life. Why you keep on pa my name? Go and worry about your son in Jamaica. Go and worry about the one behind bars in England. Go and worry about your grandson. We not have custody of. Nor your daughter not have custody of her own pitney. You have a lot of things to worry about. You call up my clean name. You're out harder. Don't call my name in your mouth. Me not like you. If me did listen this una at me. But you have love in my heart. Me give everybody a chance. Dirty woman come after me. Go find someone to leave the landlord that evict you. Go work. And stop on the internet and beg. And I put out collection offering. And then when people help and assist you, when you come with lies and play upon with emotion to get money out of our pocket, you take your rotten mouth and cuss we after. Leave me alone. The blood of Jesus against you. Dirty puss. You are nobody. Where you have a rise up on the internet cannot defeat me. Come here, God woman. And una mad people. Una sick people. I know God for myself. I know God for myself. And God know me. That's why I'm blessed me. I'm a beat on the out here with my small account. Yeah, and that's why I'm mad. Remember, me never show you my big account. I beat you out here with over 100K. And I eat while your blood clot mad. Make you talk the truth now. Cause you come to me for 200 US. After me a gig and I help you every time you bring a Yuga family them name to me and I tell lie. So them a go shoot him up, them a go kill him, him a fear run from house to house for him life, and you don't know what you go do, and you want help him escape out of Jamaica. It's not my problem now, none of my friend them problem. But because we had you as a friend, we had you as somebody who got through what you got through. We were only showing you love and kindness. And then you want to take that as a scapegoat. But people are paying for friendship and people are paying. Pay who? We're not short of friend. I have almost 7K people over here for. We are said to me dirty woman. Me not beat up myself, love it. But me I do my work. Me busy over the store with the customer them. And every minute people, I don't watch her. But when me say she take it to the level where she take it and I go tell her, I say, me build page in the woman name. And me I rub the woman. And you know these people on the internet, they're very compulsive. Them just act out without seeing it and said, alright, if you say Erica do this, if you say Nicole do this, if you say Keiko do this, bring it in black and white. You understand me? They're not gonna do that. Because the whole of them out here is just full up of hate. Most of them on the internet, them not have no love in them. Them not have no peace in them. And the worst part about it, them not have no God in them. Come on, you know how me could have wake up this Saturday morning and start tell lie. Say she pay this or she pay that for murder this person. I mean, knowing that my heart a lie me I tell. And she stand up on the live over dirty, mucky pot of soup she over the them say I make. And boldly with a straight face. Just a call up my name and I tell people lies. Nicole, I want to add you, but I don't want the live kick off. Because every time I try, I don't know, the live just dead. She a tell lie but we are run for help. What kind of help? Tanya come out here and go on Oko page. Go talk her piece. She leave from the and she go on her life. The other day I say Erica Adar. And then the people them say she gone live. I'm say no, me I stay over years because everything when I go through is puss cause it. Yeah. And she out here talk about puss rubber dub, puss this, puss that. And if somebody trouble her, oh God, with it, you know, around her, whatever, and thinks that she was comical. You understand? People go feel bad for her knowing what she got through. And behind the scene, oh, she cry eye water to it. Oh, she plead her case to it behind the scene. I pay like the gorilla woman I tell pa my name and pa Nicole and pa Keiko. I'ma promise my family and my friends them and my customer them say me done. But when me hear what the wicked witch I do this morning, man, me did have to come talk out of my clean mouth and address some of the wicked lies them. And make you know say I pay lies she a tell. She a hold on for straw. She's just sinful. She's just demonic. She's just wicked to the core. Without a cause. Like, what do you get from get up every day and tell all these like innocent people? People want to kill this. People want to make page. People do this. People do that. What do you get out of this? I want to say we are recording queen. I remember we not go for no recording. We not go for no, we just a stay up on topic with what transpired lately. When they come ask me for $200 for send go give a man. I'm say me not doing that. And then you bring somebody else and back me up in a one corner with Nicole and still ask me for go up on the live. Go do cash up with you. I'm say me nah do no cash up. Why you want water down my thing like I have my out here I beg the people them on the life and I know I have my good clean money in my account. It's your problem. It's your calamity. It's you choose to take up a convicted murderer man. Yes, me not gonna talk about him murder, but me just try to show the people them say this is who she give herself to. And then him become her problem, her financial problem, and then she want to turn it over upon me and the other ladies them. And the minute we refuse to keep up the arms house with her and keep on about people are come live, come ask to cash up, that's when all hell broke loose. That's when all hell broke loose. And she thinks that the whole internet for come down upon me and tear me down. And you see, nah, Atmo. Come telling you every day, so I'm like Daniel in the lion's den. And when all hell broke loose, God sent out Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. You can't tell me nothing, no. And you can't do me nothing, no. Come and walk with God. Me live with love. Me know God for myself. And me see the whole of you one by one. You not live no life in a foreign country. I pay a mac on the internet and I put on a show. Me not have to do that. That's why my name a page outstanding in a real life. A real life something me do. Me not in a app I pretend. Like what you do. How dare you for come on the live and tell lie upon me. But me make page in the woman name. And then have the nerve to talk about me send money for go kill that. Me not hate Tanya that much. It wasn't that serious. My uncle did ignorant fear because she love talk about people, kids, and make we did a fear rub back our kids. At the time, from 2019, the woman gone her ways here want constantly a compound life and want to cuss other people. And when you go out there, you're going to make trouble on the internet with people. Yeah, tag with in a life. I expect you to come on the life. I curse the other people them when a trouble with. And all because me not support it, and that's our problem. Me not go to my way and create a new enemy for myself. Are you dumb? Are you sick? Are you crazy, woman? You're older than me. You're supposed to be setting an example for me. Because remember, you breed young. 13, 14, 12, you catch belly. You force right, big woman. You know I'm the home training. You know I'm the autopsy. Like what I do. I'm my first child at 26. My only child at 26. We are set to me Jezebel. Lift up off from me, man. And go look a life. I go buy a life. I go continue beg a life. But leave my name out of your dirty rotten mouth. And go fix dash of the denture them out of your mouth. And put in some veneer. 2022 people now walk around with ass teeth in their mouth. Lego me name, man. Me not like you. Me see you do too much wicked you can't done. You know I'm not cut off. I remember say that's the true problem. You will build a group for come talk about your man and you want our opinion before you carry it to the media. Say I go take back the man after I bring it up on the internet for 8 months. Right? And you build that group with a bunch of people for hear everybody's opinion. Now you take back the man. Okay, a your life. And that's your choice. We behind the scenes say, okay, we only gonna support your decision. But a lot of us never agree with it. Because the man bring down his mother and his entire family. And me I say, looking at yourself, dirty woman. If the man can bring down his family, who is you? And when him run back to you, him never run back to you for show your love. And a war him family for get back to you. Him come back to you when him back is against the wall. And him and him family them a war. Again, that is not my concern nor my problem. We leave you be. So you were in that group chat just to not be on the live for a curse Steph and a curse Tanya them. So the chat was a distraction. And if you don't wish to talk the truth, remember for months and weeks you don't see her on the internet. Because she behind the scene with her almost 12 ladies. Me not talk about dog shit. Me not talk about trashy woman. Me talk about 12 decent lady. I thought, in my opinion, they all was. But come to find out, some of them was just like a Judas and a Peter. You understand me? And she couldn't take the fact that she was there and when certain questions arrived, she cannot answer it normal like how everybody else. It's awkward because all she know a bad word, bad word, bad word, bad word, bad word, curse word, curse word, curse word. So when it's time to be civil and to be normal, she couldn't conduct herself in a room of 12 or 10 other female. And that was also her problem. She said we make her feel awkward. And we're trying to change her and she have a wall up. People in higher places are around her saying to her, but if the wall up, try to figure out. It was just being casual, civil and normal. And she couldn't grasp that. Because her father revolted her brain from early. Exactly, Blue. She cannot hold a constructive conversation. It always has to be nasty words that come out of this big, ugly woman mouth. She cannot sit there and just reason like what we always doing. And after when she take back her man, nobody wasn't cater for what she want to do. We started to talk about vacation. We started to talk about real estate. We started to talk about positive things. It wasn't a group where we had tear down this and tear down that. It was just general stuff. What's happening on the internet. You know, if we see something funny, we talk about it and engaging like, okay, somebody has said, oh, me there work, me now come out this time and, you know, oh, them there gonna work or whatever the case may be. Come is about mix up, blender, bag of people, bag of That's all she was about. Begging, 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 begging. She beg it to the point where if I tell her no, give me, me soon come back. No man, oh man, cash up me this. No man, me go send her this lady cash up number, and she have go all over find other people in America cash up for give away. You understand? She find people in England, but again, that was all in just showing her love. Cause what is a $50 or what is a 40? What is a 60? And when she come with some serious things, we're going with our kids them. You have other people in high place who have them clean money like myself. We give her all $100 or 2 bills. Remember, and a barra, give where give. That means if you couldn't afford it to give to you, for help you out when you come cry. I treat you, I'm gonna go work, I'm gonna on the internet to entertain the people them. I'm a broke, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, and I have this to do, and that I come up, and always a complain. So people was just trying to help her out when she come with her problem, and when she come with her mouth full of lies. I'm not at that place anymore. I leave the garbage, I leave the bag, I leave the this, I leave the that alone. I'm not there anymore with you. And the same type of zero them like yourself. I am not there. Erica been gone. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Leave my name out of your mouth, man. Stop tell lie for my name for look hype boy, yeah. Stop tell lie for my name because you try to build up. You are out here. We not use nobody in a decent. We don't need nobody help and no. God give me my mouth. God give Nicole her mouth. God give Cake them mouth. We don't need no help. We can talk out our mouth. You're sure Cake mega mute. Mega mute.
Go ahead, Nicole. You could talk. Let me get something together real quick. Nicole, you there?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm so ready for that because Erica, me that tell Erica had me a little while ago about.
Them one. So me have to give them a rundown how me end up here.
All right, now I'm ready now, Erica. I'm gonna give me a little shot at it now. Hear me, I say, my sister, this woman here try to get this blood clot thing here big, She not stop call up all kind of blood clot people name forget this thing here big. So hear me, I say now. Dirty germs it crocodile looking, ear looking woman. You walk and you tell people say people are use fake page and people are do this and people are do that. Let go for people blood clot name dirty woman. Listen, let me tell you one thing. You see anything at all, they say me do it. Me not back down from nothing at all. Even if I lie you tell, me do it. So I'm going to show you, say, nobody can come drag me up and do me nothing. Any blood clot thing you say me do. Me blood clot, bumbo blood clot, ras clot, do it. So, what the blood clot again? Everybody depend one little side. And you come, and people are do this and people are do that. You come, you start ball out. Okay, did one for send to go kill fight them. This someone I did want to do that. When the bomber blood clot, you take this thing for everybody that was enemy. So if everybody was blood clot enemy, what's the bomber clot difference if you end up saying you want to kill that one or you want to do this or you want to do that? Any blood clot in you say me, tell me, say me do me bomber blood clot. Do it. You hear that? You hear that nasty mouth woman? Now again you come and you talk to people that pay for in your blood clot company. Let me tell you this, because I know say a broken blood clot paparazzi. I know say I'm out there, you turn to them and drop out your boat every time you talk. You have to hold your head up in the top of your head and then lean back your head because the blood clot then try them and drop out of your mouth. When I send this money, I give Cake, you know I put on it? I send a note, I give Cake and tell her, say, 4 posts to fix your blood clot all of your mouth. All right? Because remember, we are trying to fix up your blood clot because what you say, you have whole heap of fault and you well want need some blood clot fix up. When you get the little $100 and the little this and the little that, have to fix up your blood clot, but you see through your ambition, you have the mouth, you know, you take them in your mouth, same way till it turn blood clot gangrene pan you. Where I say, must have try beat ambition in a dirty woman. Because we say you don't have that. So when we send a little $100, look at this, look at that, that no jerk way. A business we say, that no jerk way, that no gone away. When we send 100, we have 6,000, we have 5,000, we have 20,000, we have 40,000. When you give you 100. All right, that not blood clot jerk way. So I don't know where you get up a talk about pay. Pay for in a year company. Pay for in a year company, you take them a drop out of your head. You want to chop down with a cutlass? Look at your condition. I fix where I try to fix you up, I put ambition in you. Dirty woman. Because we see you have no ambition. Look at your company, on the live more time. You want a beard. You hear what I do. You want to fix up. Even the piece of slippers you have on the road that draw, look at your foot, the condition of your foot. I fix where I try to fix you up, woman. But because you don't have no ambition, you still have the same doggy dent them in your mouth, same way, and rackle up in your blood clot mouth. None ambition. Go buy some. Go buy some ambition, man, and fix your blood clot mouth a long time. A years now, yeah. From me know your teeth them is like that. Then the denture and something now weird. Your mouth stink, woman. What you do with denture in your mouth that them blood clot time, man? What you do with blood clot denture in your mouth? Dirty woman. So when we just sorry for you, no one I say, all right, give her 100, because she's desperate.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? I say, give her 100. You in the group, I say, Mr. Sean come on and ask, I say, here what, Erica? I shot you 100 and I send that will give blood clot, Sean. Them thing in a jerk way. A regular thing we do. Don't feel blood clot special. A regular thing what we do.
We spend that at the corner store.
Right, it's a regular thing what we do. Don't feel blood clot special to make yourself look like somebody. He's a nobody.
We made you somebody, bitch. We made you feel important. We made you feel special. Right now, you feel like a peon out here, bitch. You feel real unspecial, ho. Well, y'all know I smoke weed. But yeah. You love talking about how you don't set people up, how you don't love drama, you don't do wrong, and that's the shit that used to piss me off about you. You love to throw rocks and then hide your hand and act like you so fucking innocent, like you got everybody under your thumb and everybody out here just doing your dirty work. No, bitch. You do your own dirty work, and here's the proof. Yay. Everybody listen up. I'm tired of you, bitch. This is Puss. This is from So Nobody Thinks That I'm Lying. And all of this was recorded after I was informed by the good Strawberry Berry that Puss was recorded with my voice on her live. So after that, that made me Puss. Remember, I also told the line because she loved to set people up. She loved to call people with somebody on the line, and you know. Now that's me being quiet because I'm saying to myself, if she's saying these things about Erica, but on the live saying I say Erica, Erica say me, then I need to be very careful. Just hang on.
Mommy, I bring down the girl. I bring down the girl. Never remember that. I'm going to try to get her. I'm going to try to get her. Go back to my Instagram. We have our right number still. I'm going to look at the number. Tomorrow morning, I bring down the girl. Then, Nana. You may bring down them. Send me a number, Nana. Just add me over here. I'm going to start thing over your live. What am I going to think now? I got your bed now. All right. Well, I can't see it. Move your blood clot.
Now listen.
Anthony God. You have other people on the something. I feel like yes, that's why man.
You heard what Antoinette said? Listen to what Antoinette said, okay? Listen, people. Wait, it's going too far. Hold on. Okay?
You have other people on the something. I feel like yes, that's why man.
See that? Even Antoinette telling her, why do you always do that? You should have let the people know that it's more than one person on the phone. She never do that. She always call with somebody else on the phone, having other people set other people up. That's what Puss do from the time. Or mixing up war. That's what she do the best. And it pissed me the fuck off that she come on the live and talk about how she don't do no dirty and she wait on time. We make on time. God fight my battles. That's lies. It's all lies. I don't give a fuck what nobody say about I should have had Puss. Berry told me Puss was recording me and she played my voice on the live. Okay, my antennas is up. You call me, you can't call me by yourself. I'm going to always record your motherfucking ass. Huh?
You can tell her why you don't have to be liar to the gorilla looking, ear looking woman. You're in the group. Remember, say you and I not have no problem. She and nobody not have no problem. Me and I never have no problem at that time. She come in the group and she starts, remember, say Erica and she have the problem, you know. She come in the group and she starts saying, all of you acting so, like you're a coward. All of you are this and that and start drop all kind of blood clotting in the group. If you want to pick it up, you have a right to blood clot pick it up because guess what? When she say all of you are acting coward and all of you are this and that, she attack every blood clot body.
He was talking about everybody.
And I laugh at her and I say, what's the fool? She drop all kind of mama bomba blood clotting in the group. She drop like she go mad. Then she come in and she start talk, all of you, you're a bunch of cowards. You're a bunch of this. And because we're not blood clot and such things, so we did afraid her. But that's why we tell her, so we know, so that's why she did run up on the live the day too, you know. Because she feel to say, she have, mama say she don't have no blood clot secret for me, you know. But she think, so she have people secret. She think, so she can come man over people and ring them on or whatever is our problem. So that's why she come and drop all of the things down. Nobody not appear in her mind. She run pan the blood clot live. With it, because she thinks that she can use the live now to come bring down people, because that is our thing. But lady, you didn't have a next blood clot just come in. Because you're coming at the group and you're Erica catch up. And you're coming at the group and you start this up everybody with it in the group. Because as long as you're in that blood clot group there, and she come in, all of you bitches are a bunch of cowards. Meaning you're talking every bomber blood clot body. At that point, when you're coming at the group and you ask Erica to send back her cash up because you want to send back her bomber blood clot money, you also drag Keiko in it. By telling Keiko, also Keiko, send me back your cash up too. Them time the Keiko never that pay your mind. And your blood clot drag her in it because you start asking her to send back her cash up. You start your blood clot drag the woman in it to move your bomber blood clot. You're dunce. You don't know what's your drag her in it, but you drag her in that blood clot because you're very dunce. I should have all right for answer because you never come in and say, Erica, you're a coward. You come in and you say, all uno is some bunch of blood clot coward. So if me didn't want to pick it up, we could have bomba blood clot pick it up. If Keiko didn't want to pick it up, or anybody else in the group didn't want to pick it up because you come in and you say, all of you bitches in here are some bunch of cowards. Them thing that you start do. And I drop word over and over and over again. And then you come in and I drop some word for blood clot, this and that, all kind of man, all kind of this and that, all blood clot man have and things that start dropping at the group. So anybody did hear anything with them, or hypocrite this, that, all kind of bomber blood clotting. So anybody would hear it and feel the blood clot with you and want to answer you, have the right to blood clot answer you. So, you bomber clot drag the woman in it. The woman never say nothing at all to you. She in the group a chill and you start say, Keiko, send me your thing, your cash app. I want to send you back this money. I want this money. Your bumble clock drop the woman in here. Move your bumble clock. You dunce. So stop asking why
Oh,
you
well,
get
nobody
involved in
even
it and your
knew that
bumble
I
clock
had
drag
sent
her
her
in a
cash
bit.
app. Nobody knew I cashed her, apped her. Nobody knew that I had sent her credit. Nobody knew nothing. I was chilling. I wasn't saying
Exactly.
anything.
And I show you come and call out your name and tell her,
Her
Keiko,
conscience
send
was
me back your
killing
cash
her.
up. I want to send you back your money too. And I want to send back Erica money. I want to send this. I want to say that you drag the bumble clot woman in a it. So now stop ask because nobody never want to go down on a detail with this. Because me hear the people them say, oh, me tell Erica side say, nobody enough add nobody to no live. And me tell the push say, me no want nobody add nobody to no live. This is what me telling you this. Anytime I come on the live, Erica mostly always turn on her bumble blood clot live. So when Erica turn on her live, she not add none of uno to her life. Who she had and who bumble blood clot ask her for requests and she had them. You understand? When you don't get this bumble clot Christian type of people that come, I don't know, in her life and this and that. Call blood clot name and say, see, I your life pan on one go pan our bumble blood clot like because when you come pan this, nobody not your life pan on because it's blood clot full up. You hear that? This is bumble clot full up. Nobody no want to no pan this. So
And
now
then
come
you can't
lick
even
up
go
out.
on
And
her
tell
live.
people say, no, I get involved. And nobody enough is sending on a live. Nobody over here now sending a bumble blood clot live. So the call blood clot name and say, ooh, I sending a bumble blood clot live. You know hear that? Don't mix up nothing. But you know say this and not tell that and not tell that. Talk about who a bumble clot sending a live. Like lady see come out today and bumble clot talk out her mouth. And say lady, don't send me a bumble blood clot live because I see her do it. And the woman come out and talk. Say you send me live. Don't bumble clot send me a live. Stop spread out this thing. And I go and like say people are sending a live to get involved with this bumble blood clot. You know hear that?
Meanwhile, we done went about our business. Don't even see this savage. None of them. We ain't paying nobody no attention. Period. Your bitches is mad because you ain't got $30 to send. You can't get no.
Look at the bumble blood clot name and you don't know why I'm be involved. On the keep on a blood clot corner if you don't know why. Oh my name involved with this. You have the bumble clot woman catch up because she's I mean why you send me a blood clot live. You come on and start talk like say other people are sending a life. I mean I want to be involved with this. I mean I want to be involved with that. When I fight go. I see a load of sending a bumble blood clot live. When I talk out on the mouth, how it go? I start going like people are sending a live. And then I mix up this blood clot thing where people are recruit. Me a recruit here. I mean I recruit here, Brassy. I never ask none of you for coming or nothing. I ask you which side of the blood clot because I'm in a bit of response for now. So I don't know how my name coming at this, but me a recruit. You know man take up your other pan. Oh, they have a ball over this, but could I have a blood clot ball over you and her too? Because guess what? You was once our blood clot right hand to Brassy. And I kick you get blood clot kick out also. So everybody could have still a rejoice by you and I catching up to. Go check out our caption on our blood clot page. And go see all them diss up your blood clot. And left it on the page for the world to see. So we could have still have a laugh for you and I just to see them. What you talk about? Remember saying the first laugh for laugh, you know, the last laugh for laugh, you know. Remember blood clot that, you know. Can you do the first laugh? A first laugh you do. And a last laugh catch your blood clot. Because you're not end up catching up. This woman who depend on her life. Every bumper blood clot I run from her like she have. She's a pillar of blood clot. Salt. Every blood clot body I run from you. You send that to your life, you send this one alive, you send that one alive. Everybody now want to go on your blood clot. Like, you know, you say, germs dash upon you. You know, you say, crosses upon you. And when the people them don't come on your life, you start cuss the people them. You say, your crosses. shit drop on you. Nobody no want to come near you. Everybody you had them kick out them jump off for your life. And when it don't happen for you, the people them come get themselves involved and tell them don't want to be involved. You get upset and call the people them hypocrite. But look at you. You're a dog shit. You're a shit that come out of a dog body hole. Let me show you what you look like. I have to show you what you look like.
You is the nobody. Nobody sees you. Nobody knows you. We in America don't count you. You way in the UK. You in a different time zone, bitch. We don't see you. You don't count. We send you. We sent you our pocket change. Shit we had to spare. Nothing about you was special, honey. Nothing.
I remember say your man tell you that. See where you look like there? That dog shit. And remember say your man tell you that. Say you look like that. The shit will come out of
and trust me, Hugo, don't stop disrespecting her. I've been on the phone and heard the nigga say, let me tell you something. If I was next to you, I would hurt you right now. He'd be like, this woman is a dog shit. This woman don't have no common sense. Blood clot, I can't talk to. What's wrong with this woman? You know you don't have no sense. Lord God, what me get myself involved in? Trust me, it's just the benefits. You just sponsoring his way to get out of Jamaica. After that, honey.
Exactly. Remember I said when the man, him sister and the mother are talking, him don't look upon her. He don't look at her. She run go call him. And guess what the man said? I don't want a blood clot credit. Woman, cuss her out. Because the man is not interested. The man is not interested. The man cuss her up on the phone. And remember she said, remember them sent credit on the man's phone without the man knowing. And when the man do, the man cuss them dog rotten. Toss you nothing from my blood clot phone. And the mother said, what you want with my son? You say mad. No, what you say mad. Not what you want with him. Leave him alone. And then diss you up. Including the blood clot, man. Diss you up.
And then she keeps saying she left Hugo. And the poor man can't even come out and tell the truth that he had left Puss 2 weeks before she went to the UK. Only reason why Puss left from Jamaica and went back to the UK is because Hugo had already left. And she told Hugo, if you leave and go with Chris, I'm leaving. Hugo got the fuck up and left. And was gone for 2 weeks. And she went and looked for him. And they got in a big fight. And she had to take the taxi back home. And once she realized he wasn't coming back, that's when her ass got on the plane and went back to the UK. Only reason why Hugo went back is because he didn't have nowhere else to stay. Trust me.
Exactly.
That man was already gone.
When the man
and
come,
he cannot say it.
Remember when the man come back to her, I went and him family them a cuss. When him family them good and she reach out to him and I put credit on him phone, the man diss her up. Diss her like a dog. You could have hear her, you go stop your noise. I want to talk to you. When you go do him diss her like a dead dog. Remember anybody will miss them woman and hear them woman voice for the first time, I go say, I go come out of the house and go walk. And don't even make mama know. And go up on the side street go talk to him. Woman, but baby, I love you, you know. I miss you, I know like me do want to talk to you. That wasn't the case.
None.
The man diss her up.
He talked to her like shit.
Yeah. And so won't I send credit from my blood clot phone family telling them I want credit?
These we talking about recent, Rashi. We talking about
problem now and him
from
and
being in that chat.
Him come back to your dirty woman because he's a dunce. He's a dunce. I remember saying never him reach out to you, and you reach out to him, and him diss you up.
She ain't stopped riding Lisa until Lisa convinced Hugo to go back to Puss. Don't even know, probably the lady and Hugo both know that Puss is the money cow to get him where he gotta go. You don't think they both in on the scam?
That's why you go down there, fire shot no blood clot. You go shut up and you go kill, you go do every damage what him can do down at that blood clot. And she have to go back for the cocky because guess what? She knows if you're all no good.
With your radioactive pussy. Push, you got radioactive pussy. Your pussy is toxic.
Remember, say, I know make up story this. Remember, say, we end up playing tape for the man, a ball, you know. I said,
yep.
She shot me and your ball out and I said, oh, you know she shot you. Him know say she shot him because him cocky a burn him and him cocky a drop off.
Mm-hmm.
But guess what? Him get the woman. Hey, wow. Do you want me to talk about this?
Radioactive pussy you have.
Do you want me to talk about this? In my African voice. In my African voice. You want me to tell you what you go give that girl? You want me to tell you what you go give that little girl? Poor thing, little girl I call him here. She come call on my phone. Little girl I call on your phone to tell you say you give her something. That's what little girl I call on your blood clot. Make we talk now. Make we talk.
That radioactive pussy, I'm telling you, it's contaminated. You need a whole fucking bodysuit to run up in there. A condom is not gonna do. She'll burn that condom right off your cocky. You need a whole contamination suit, a mask, everything to run up in that pussy. It's radioactive.
The man cocky are wrapping down from the man there with her. Mr. She go to Jamaica go wrapping down the man cocky.
And then gonna blame it on the little girl. The little girl probably ain't even fucked enough in her life to have what you have. You went down there with all them germs. Them bugs under your eyelids, them shit ain't came overnight.
Him no want answer him phone. Here are to the man now. Why you never answer? Him no want answer because the woman I go tell him say, listen, you turn me now dead. In a walking blood clot dead. Make we talk now. Why you want me to talk in my African voice, my bro, my sister? My tita, no, my tita. Not that big one, not that big one. He gave her the big one.
Language. Do not imitate me. If you arguing with that lady, do not imitate me. Why don't you talk in your own language? Leave my accent alone.
You give her the big one. The big one. The big one. He gave her that little girl.
You need to bushwash, my sister.
Listen, my sister, don't you dare talk in my language. Stick to your own language. Don't try to imitate me and cuss nobody. Don't stick to your own language. This is why I don't like with you Jamaicans. You Jamaicans always try to blame we Africans. Don't speak like me. Talk in your own language.
That was a big one. I had to talk in my African voice, my brother. My brother had to talk in my African voice. That was a big one. He gave that little girl. That was a big one.
Godzilla! Instead of the flame coming out your mouth, it's coming right out your toxic radioactive pussy.
Well, you come never know say I say your mouth bad enough. Me not tell a lie. Me not come near I'm afraid.
We tell her say, Lord, leave this thing. Make it stay in the group. This woman come out of the group with it and start this bugger thing on the internet. And I carry on like she's about the blood clot feather. We tell her and say, listen, me can't go see you for duke out the 2 years them. So here what? It's about just lead up to you come tell me things, me tell you about blood clotting. So here what? Let go this thing, yeah. She fight.
I don't want to put up on my page in the 2 blood clot bagga. One of them is to stay neutral and lie.
You blacken your own eyes. One to the left, one to the right. Hold on, let me show you. One to the right.
Erica, you black? Erica, black, the girl named Super Sexy Dan. Look for her and black her now.
Super Sexy Dan, you got
Super Sexy Dan. SUPERDONDON. All of the words is just one whole sentence like the word joining up.
In the face. You gave yourself 2 black eyes. You gave yourself 1 uppercut. You gave yourself 2 kicks to the right and 2 kicks to the left. And you punched yourself in the lip, you dumb bitch. You out here fighting your own motherfucking self. We don't see you, bitch.
I could talk about people in our company. That's why people appear. What is this? This is just the worst joke I ever heard in my life. Remember, I sent a text with Keiko with $100. Keiko, this is for post. Tell her to fix her mouth and her.
But Erica, Nicole, how mad was I that you sent me the $100? How mad was I?
You was mad. And I said, Nicole, take back this. Y'all send it back, come give me.
Yeah, sent it back. Me and you ain't in no money dealings. I'm not collecting no cash app for your ass. Don't have nobody send me no money. Period. Okay? So I could never be one of Puss peons, never one of her disciples. I would never be one of Puss nothing. Okay? You got me fucked up out here. Never. I told, don't send me shit. I told her and Hugo, period. I don't have no money dealings with y'all. Friends and money don't mix. Don't send me no more motherfucking money to my cash app.
And send the note to Keiko, tell Keiko, tell her fix her mouth and I got it. So we send the money for you.
Everybody know me no picture. Everybody know me no picture. No go for any blood clot live when I want go.
Right, that's so.
Any like me not do side and me not do me not do side and me not do. Everybody know about me though.
Right, that's so my sister. Yes, my sister.
Yeah. Broke ass. That man, he thought he had his shit way too set. He thought we was about to finance all that shit. You and Puss both could go kick fucking rocks and skin up your dusty, dirty ass feet and toes. I wouldn't give a fuck. I'm not sending no big, gray, grown, sweaty, bald nigga nothing besides my motherfucking husband. Okay? Not unless if I feel like it.
Me said the woman talk something. I can't believe so. I go back to the people and wanna eat. I can't believe they wanna go back to no enemy. Remember, the woman come live and the woman go and take her live. Look how much people you are destined to rub out your all the take back. What you talk about? You go on Love Sanders live and rub out your all and rub out your pick them all. What you talk about? Looking at the mirror, woman, can yourself you talk. But what you done to is people have to spell things out for you.
Paul can't call nobody name. Paul is a ghost. We don't even know what the fuck
nobody else did that because she never come on Erica live. She go on Uko live. You take back your vomit.
Listen to what internet said. Listen to what internet people said, people. Remember, Antoinette told her Puss, you should have let the girl know. Listen to what internet said. Since you like to play shit over and over and over again. Let's listen to it one more time what internet said. Let's pull up. Money pull up. Hold on. And I got my own money so I could finance my own pull up, bitch.
Yes, but you never say Puna do. I'm not going to tell you, big woman thing, what are we big woman? Me too, you know better, so you have to do better. And it's the truth I tell you. Because I know better, that's why I do carry on. Because you cannot argue with people who don't know better. But I only know better, so I do better.
Ratty, don't you see we're trying to do better? How much time for the week should do live? Go and check it out. Look how much time to do live.
Go on none of them live. The bad to bad, when men are a friend, I go on the live them like that, because I can't take them kind of fuck with them.
Yeah, and every time she go live, she call up somebody name. Notice her.
And then now we're saying that Erica and Nicole and me, and we out here recruiting people. Lord knows we ain't been in nobody DM. We ain't out here recruiting nobody. We ain't asking nobody to involve themselves. We don't need no backup. You're looking at 3 strong stallions that can handle their own shit. I don't need nobody to come back me up. Period.
We try to ignore, and I like that we don't see the live them and hear what she's saying. And remember, we don't come out. And she keep at it and keep at it and keep at it. And she's not stopping.
Yeah, I understand that. But sometimes when you really, really know better, because you cannot argue with people who doesn't know better. It just makes yourself look stupid.
It does.
Yeah, that's why I don't animal.
That is why I just don't even go there.
When you go back to vomit and she run Love Sanders live. She never make even Love Sanders come on her live, you know, so she could have that talk, you know. She run and Love Sanders live. Look how the people them more them angry up. Look how Destiny angry up. Look how very angry I'm out and angry up. One you and them a friend. So who you for talk about people that run back to them vomit? When are you doing that? A facts we come with when we come for talk. We come for talk facts.
Who this I repeat what me say now? So me
talk, you know, just talk, you talk for talk.
But I'm a blood clot lie.
I have no proof to nobody go for nobody. The woman come out on her own because them 8 and 9 and 100 yo.
Yeah, but sometimes you see, sometimes when name, sometimes you don't answer because I could prolong with that woman for like months and years and days. I mean, no, she can't win because me have one batty man. I not see no batty boy on Instagram can trace like me. Them no ban it. And I know better and I don't pay no mind because when I'm arguing with that woman, I mean like the evening, I'm like, what the fuck you doing, you little slut? And I said, I'm not even going to go there because one, I'm not going to argue with somebody who men them cannot hold a proper conversation. Two, I'm not going to argue with somebody who cannot write a proper sentence. Three, I cannot argue with nobody who cannot write a proper caption.
And being around her, being in her presence is draining. It's draining and it's toxic. I'm gonna tell you, it's not one day, you know, she'll call you on something positive. Anytime she call you, she always have an ulterior motive. You understand? It's never nothing straight away. It's always an ulterior motive. It's hard.
I know what you're saying, because when them call me to, I don't answer my phone. I do not answer my phone because I know somebody's beyond it. Listen, because even one time one individual called me, I'm going to tell her, I said, don't take it serious. Because me not talk to people in the inbox. I know them stay, them love to record. This is why I will never in a these type of mix-up, because I don't do that shit. If me can't come rub you out on the live, it just don't make no sense. And I'm not arguing with no blood clot body who me and them living in the same country. Because if me and that woman did ever live in South London, where me live, I know me in a blood clot jail. I call the man, make them lock me up for 2 days. Other day, when I run down in blood clot with the dumbbells in the carpet head. I am not arguing with nobody when I'm living in the same country. True. And the reason why I didn't go to that woman's house, I told me, no, the police are going to say you premeditated what you do. Come on, I go over her house and beat her, pitting them and everybody, and she's never going to win. Because first I'm going to tell them she verbally abused me, and she's a woman, me's a woman, and me's a Batman, and me have rights, so two right against fair right. One.
Yes, my sister.
Don't work it. You need to just done it, and it's just the truth. Me, I tell you, Erica, I'm not being funny. You know better. You say you do better. Just done it. We need to done now because it doesn't sound good.
Keep at it. You know why we decide to come out right here? Because we realize the shot call up Love Sanders name, Dan name, this, that name. You understand? She just call the people them name and I tell be a lie.
But you know the funniest thing, I saw Dan tonight and I saw Dan today on the live, and Dan don't even sound like she rejoice, but none of where I go and she just say rainfall pan, wall on all stop and it a fall on.
And that is the truth. It's the truth. Like, and not only that, everybody know anything that I did, I ain't scared to say I did it. And I'm not here to clear up a motherfucking thing. Exactly. I don't care. Whatever they said I did, I motherfucking did it. Exactly. Even if I didn't do it, I don't give two fucks. Me and these people ain't friends, was never friends. What I give a fuck.
So I'm gonna say, you would have on the opposite team.
Come to my motherfucking front door.
I shall go tell the people them now, oh, they want to say them did want to do this to you. They want to say them did want to do that to you. Yes, to Bumbo Class, we did want to do it. Because we wasn't on the same team. We were separate team. And anything I say I want Bumbo Class, do me do. And I saw me see it. I not apologize to nobody. I not push you all out myself. Me do anything at all what you say me do. You talk about. You think me come out and come talk about say, me never do this, me never do that.
What the fuck? As you and them in an argument, them have a friend, your enemy, them where used to, where you and them used to cause. That's just so like.
And I'm calling people them name. Oh, she didn't want to do this to you. And she didn't want to do that to that one. She didn't want to do that to that one. Like someone have a Bumbo Class enemy. If you have Bumbo Class enemy, and we want to do what we want to do to them.
Erica have it on our live safe. So if you want to hear what she look like, go up on the live, go look and listen. Not ask what the blood clot look like. So what's happening about
if everyone are our enemy, I mean someone want Bumbo Class do something, me want to do it. Well, you think I'm going to come back now, come some never want to do it. I'm pushing you
not only that, not even that, Nicole.
That too, man.
If you didn't bomb your house, if you didn't bomb your house like you say you didn't, can't no bitch bomb my house and I don't go bomb their shit back.
Not come to people where nobody knows what people talk to. So I got to be your enemy. All I want to do this to you, and I want to do that to you. Yeah, but the Bumbo Class want to do it to them because me and them never a deal. Some of the Bumbo Class want to do it. Now you and them come call me. That you, man, go fix your teeth, man, because you're done. Come on, if you're somebody an enemy and you want to do something to them that a Bumbo Class what?
That's why I know some have big inspiration. Cause me inspire people for short teeth, alive, no teeth, more to having teeth. Me inspire everybody to be themselves. One thing with me is a big inspiration to know.
But what you could have taken out your teeth and show say you have your without teeth. She could have taken out her blood clot teeth.
Tell them I could have taken out my teeth and show the dent. And nobody scatter when you reach
she couldn't take out no teeth. I never dare to ball out. Hey, me want to rub on you now. Me take out my teeth and rub on you now. Take out your blood clot. But the people them, sister, you're ugly. And now we are doggy denture. Show the people
go dust out all the mix-mac ass dishes you got. You got 2 pieces of set there, 2 pieces of a set there, bitch. None of that is worth nothing. You don't have no full set of 12, no full set of 6, no full set of 4. None of that shit match, bitch. Versace come in set. Okay? That shit ain't worth nothing. Go dust it off and look at it. Admire it.
The 2 teeth over the front short. Then the 2 over the back long. What the blood clot you go with that? Take out the teeth of the people them so you work with. But them sister you can't have blood clot dumpling.
I like your blood clot, tell Nicole. Me can't have blood clot dumpling for my teeth. Blood a pussy clot. Me can't have dumpling for my blood clot.
Rocky, you can't eat dumpling because one teeth missing. She the woman you have the whole her teeth them out her head right now. And fear case, even though they said doctor refuse fear case. Fear case is a big case. But doctor refuse. She got dentist and them refuse her case. So them can't help her. You man mouth to grow junjo.
Every time somebody order food, she want to run the people down for the food. Can the people eat their good food that they ordered for themselves? They gotta sneak past her door to get up the stairs with their chicken and chips. You're a fucking monster.
She can't eat it because she got a blood clot teeth in her head. Take out the doggy denture, give back the doggy denture, the people them still your blood clot work with. Dirty woman.
Nicole, you know, say dentist me have 1 teeth and a denture, and if I don't, you want to see
it, you can't attack you.
I find it blood clot offensive because I have 1 teeth.
You can't eat dumpling. You can't eat egg. You can't eat a chicken bone. That woman
with their bag food. If you ever walk past that door and she hear that bag crinkling, dog you.
The woman can't eat nothing at all. You have to puree her food. She and her mate eat the same type of food. They have to puree it. Nothing hard.
All you hear
the cocky, it's one of them to see them cocky and mess between their mouth.
Me cook them brown stew. You fucking glut you. You's a glut. That is a sin. Gluttony is a sin. You're supposed to do everything in moderation. You don't know about moderation. If somebody give you 50, you want 100. You unsatisfied scoundrel, you.
I don't know to put the money to use because I get the money already to fix her mouth, you know. Me get the money already to fix up her hole, you know. And the 2 of them not fixed because the woman have no shame. This woman is a shameless goat. I walk around with denture in her mouth and I say, woman, I go fix your mouth. You understand?
You know,
and she get the money to fix her mouth and the woman don't fix her mouth. That dog food of your ears.
No, really take this denture thing personal. God believe me.
You only got 1 little teeny weeny denture.
That whole other woman your mouth gone. The whole person, you know, you have no gangrene in your mouth. That woman have gangrene in her mouth. It's a different case.
Nothing like that.
This is a different type of case.
Yeah.
The case your doctor refused.
I'm gonna blood clot, pick side and cuss Erica. I mean, Erica a friend, but I like her because she always.
Nobody out here has to pick sides. Nobody. We're not asking nobody to get involved. Nobody wanted to even be in nothing with Puss. She's the one that ain't never satisfied. That's the bitch that go to bed sitting on nails every fucking night and can't sleep in peace. I'm good. Erica good. Nicole good. You good on our head. This bitch is the one that's unsatisfied and tormented. Got a big ass fucking pepper hole in the middle of her mattress. Stay the fuck up off my name, bitch. Yes, crackhead, the crackhead life is nice, bitch.
Ratty, none of we want this. It's happening at the group. Things do happen. People might do meet.
This is the type of shit that a crackhead wear, okay? 14 karat gold, 50 diamonds, bitch. Yes, the crackhead life is nice. 40 diamonds, bitch. Yes, the crackhead life is nice. I love it. Yeah. Fuck out of here, ho.
And if it was crackhead, you just sell it, go buy crack. So I'm sure them appear now, them tell them a baboon.
Okay.
Who this a call Candy name not? But the woman come suck me and Candy pussy together.
Yes, I'm an old bitch because I wear Donna Karan motherfucking glasses.
The one named Shane. That's what she name come and can't say a night now. She said, Dirty Ratty and Candy, black car.
Ratty, as me tell you, nobody wanted this.
Right? Keiko, give them a tour at the so-called crackhead house. Show them all crackhead live. Because remember when it's a crackhead life. Right at the living room and show them how you live.
My bedroom is a little junky because this is where I spend most of my time, but that's my bathroom.
In the living room.
This is my bathroom. And this is my bedroom. Okay. That's my desk where I make my money at all day. Okay, a bitch got a job. I won't show you. Okay, the crackhead life is good. I love the crackhead. Look at it. Yeah, I want to eat, baby.
The eye ceiling. Show the eye ceiling, Keiko. Put it up, the eye ceiling.
Okay, let's show you the high ceiling. Double windows.
Right, that's so double windows.
Ignore you.
Plain say a crackhead cannot live the way or you're living in real life and you're not on welfare like in England.
None, bitch. I can't get welfare now. No, darling. And that's the red room.
Disrespecting about the welfare. We're only talking about the gorilla.
Yes,
the gorilla woman who wants the people alone. I got the doggy clothes, Keiko. I got the doggy clothes.
Sit down.
I got the doggy clothes.
Say hello.
Hey, baby. Hey, pretty girl. Is a girl Keiko or a boy? Keiko, is a puppy a boy or a girl?
What were we about to eat, Shaky? What did you cook? Tell them what you cooked.
I got doggy clothes for sale, guys.
Tell them what you cooked, darling.
The Bukashi, the Gucci, and the
chicken, pasta,
Dior Prince. I'm about to post the doggy clothes.
This is how my 17-year-old was raised.
To brand name design and make your
wow. My 17-year-old daughter, your food no look like dog food, Keiko.
Keiko, your food no look like dog food. Man, I got to tell no lie.
Okay.
Keiko can't cook. Keiko
no my daughter made that. Food. Shaky made that.
Right.
Shaky fried that chicken, and then she making her little pasta. Yes, my love. We don't want for nothing.
14 or 15, and look what she ate. She not fair cook no cup soup. Every minute pass me a cup soup.
Right. Remember, Keiko for eat the food.
Karate, remember when them pass the cup soup, you make the cup soup, in the water for long, it gets soft from so it can work for the denture. You know them style, man. Remember when the woman can't just sit up on the live and eat nasty and gentle like normal people. The woman have to move the camera. And don't and just so like an animal. Like she's so dirty.
We was in that group and we tried to have normal, regular, calm conversations. Puss could not relate. Because she could not relate, she wanted to cause havoc. She felt out of place. It was out of her spirit. She couldn't handle it.
When them try to stop curse the bad word and talk like that and call down the people, then make her finish your point and then you talk. Shut up! I said, everybody will like keep coming off of the chat. Once you start yelling curse, Keiko them see me and her alone over ketchup. How much time you have to put her in our place in front of everybody?
Oh God, you know how many times we caught up in there? Like really flare up arguments.
Everybody, all our friend in England, delete herself out there and me go talk to her.
She at least force somebody ketchup. I just the truth.
Them see me and her alone ever ketchup. This is how wicked them is.
Yep, she force somebody ketchup in that group there. I just the truth. Yep. Remember, people were neutral to the thing with it in the group come out, you know, and when them conscience about them, you know, them have to talk up, you know. I remember, God, like ugly. Them have to come and talk up And them talk and say, even when things are going, Erica come on your live. And still I tell you, and still I big you up, I call out your name, and a this and a that. Nobody was following up, nothing. But this woman want bring this thing on live for come bring down Erica, and she can't bring down Erica. She just want to bring down Erica. She run out on the live already, and the people have to go fear and tell her.
And then I don't care what nobody says. From the time that Hugo started saying that Erica was a nice young lady and that he didn't want to talk to nobody but Erica. Erica was Puss's biggest opponent in their relationship, and Erica wasn't paying Hugo no fucking attention. But it's Hugo that pays Erica all the attention, and Puss don't like that. And those voice recordings prove that she had Erica up from January, even before January. I can only account from January. So nobody can't tell me different. Now you expect me to trust somebody like that? What's she saying about me when I'm not around? Fuck that shit.
And when him say I left him woman, when him left voice note say I left him woman because she just love this bagger and she won't stop. Who him got to go relate, go pour out him heart to. I'm gonna leave Janet because she don't want to do this. She don't want nothing out of life. She this, she that, she that. It also go to Erica. And that is the problem. The man go to Erica.
That is why when she go for the vice note,
it becomes a problem.
Yeah, that is why when she go for the vice note, cause I don't know me always that talk the truth, but bad to bad. That is why when she go for the vice note and Erica turned to her and said, no, that vice note doesn't sound like what you're saying, your name. It more sound like, say, you go went to Erica and I said something to Erica about you, but you, Erica, and you are friend. Erica said to you, and then you go back to Hugo, and then you go just start class up Erica. That woman come off of this blood clot. I'm just come off of life because she really want to road because she just pick on me. I said no, but that's not it said. That's not what it is like. This is what it looked like to me. Cause you know you can't tell her the truth.
It's the truth.
Nobody cannot trick me. Anything don't make sense to me. It is not true.
Okay.
The man go to Erica and go play out him case how much the woman is this and that, and him go leave her.
It's true. I see it too.
You understand?
And
then him go to Erica. Erica sure what the man say. She upset. And Erica call your man, and your man run down Erica, and Erica now why your man, because we don't know what him have. We don't know something no good.
We already know they radioactive. Radioactive cocky and radioactive pony. We already know.
Him start put this thing in the woman head, but Erica look him, Erica this. When Erica him come over, left him woman in a ratty. The man left him woman in a run down over to where Erica stand up in and Erica said to himself, listen, go on back over where your woman there. Anything wrong with that? Erica run the man from Jamaica days, you know. Him run down over to where Erica there. Erica run him over and say, go on back over to where your woman there. He don't look good. She not there, so. And you left her and come right over to me and come stand up and a chat. Go on back to your woman. That's what Erica did.
Yep.
Him always enough of himself.
But sorry say the old owner, because me not go add and talk. It's not a woman on the ear.
Put it in a woman head.
But me just hear certain things about her. And I should have better go there. Yeah.
When him walk over to Erica and walk with him woman and Erica run him. And tell him, say, go on back to your woman. Go and go stand up over where your woman there.
Yeah.
We now make up the story.
I think I mean that she go back with him too, you know, because when she called me and asked me, say, if she go back to her man, I say no business when nobody wants to say. I see man joke out woman, yeah, and them go back to them. I say, look, for my man go breed woman for me, and I still take back the boy. Take back the man if you want, take him back. But true, me know, say it was her only hope.
Yeah. Hey, Rocky, give me your phone. Take your phone out.
Rocky, you're bad.
Bad to bad.
Bad to bad.
Never gonna lie. Bad to bad. But listen my piece, guys. Bad to bad. So listen to this, guy. She's running with a narrative this morning and saying that even when him did come and him leave from one them family, them and she run, go about share interview. Now people that was in the chat, including my cousin, begged me profusively Cause him say I don't want to. Remember the man come live and say I don't want to talk to nobody but Erica.
He always enough of himself.
Me.
That's the truth.
Remember the man cry out from a company live and
always enough
I don't
of himself.
want to talk to no, only Erica.
Yeah.
And my family turned to me and said, Erica, don't go. And she begged me like a baby. Ask V. And the other people that was there. I'm saying, I don't want to get myself involved in this in a post. But I don't want to mix up. And you go hear this. And she said, Erica, please, just go the film, go do the interview, you know, for do your thing. Because we have to get him back over the side, yeah. So he can come bust up the things that go on with him and his family at Jamaica. Nicole and Keiko only did their line.
He always enough of himself, Erica. Even when the man don't talk, him ball, see you him want to talk to.
I don't know why with me, but man always, even when he got to his sister. Remember when he got to his sister Nicole, him go over there and him say, me nah lie out of everybody. Me know Tanya, me know ya Erica no really take tea, but is a nice girl, and me a watch her page and see she a do big thing. The girl I'll go chucking.
Everybody know him and not thinking.
Remember the man that compliment me when we dip on fear side and we are enemy with him, you know. And I war him because him a bring she down and we embarrass.
Right? This a public information can talk it on him live, but him out
him say these things. The man was an absence, Ratty, and crowd people were there.
But me know say you have sense, Erica. Me I don't spot I mean no intelligent people. I listen how you talk like a very intelligent person. I'm not gonna lie. This is why I don't go on that woman live much, because me ear a done spot. Me not a proud person, but me not when me hear a done spot attack, I said, Jesus Christ, I wonder if I saw me sound too. Come in, no, me not sound done, so me attack. I can hold a very constructive
even write them can't write a proper sentence.
Write some conversation with
someone. And I'm me a beggar. Woman said she put up stuff more. Like should I say, the tree lick down the broom. I'ma say, you know, right, the word good enough. Go and go press the edit something here. Me not clear. Make it, me say, make the enemy them a laugh off for you out here and we are gonna look bad, you know. Go caption this something the woman not care. Yeah. And it's not a one-time mistake, you know. Every time. So it's not embarrassment for we. The people them a beat her a jump and say, she go Jamaica and keep our man birthday party on a blue barrel and a curtain over it. We felt so shame. Remember, we see to like what them are see, you know. Yeah. And we say, all right, elevate up your thing. Your birthday come up in a July. We are doing something for you and switch the narrative. Here we want to we want to see in a hotel in the road where you thief for England and Carga, Jamaica out of verse. When in Versailles or wherever the store name over there, what the big store England on the shopping now?
Salvages.
We have salvages.
She got in a salvages and she thief 2 rope with some fraudulent credit card. The Shanna picked them hook up. Me a beat her with her money, you know. So we turn to her and say, all right, your birthday come up, we'll do something special for you. Because we want to kind of take the shame the people that happen to she. I remember the woman that have no money. Remember she the on internet to talk about real estate out of license plate. And when her man get deported from prison after killing him friend for respect, I call to the Wales News. Remember dirt, him go down go see and 4 pool. No house never did it. There was no house when our man go down.
That's how I was shocked.
Upstairs in the part where our son, when he came to their prison, did a fix up. No house never there in England when you go to Jamaica go meet. A dirt and stone. And she a scrape, beg, a scrape. I buy a little this, buy a little that, chop this, chop that. And I get some little walking news man for the local thing around the place for her. Remember them did all twist up the step, you know. When we see the house is like something we are tumble down, and that's the truth. It lean. So we are help out the situation every time you come and fly.
And that's the truth. Like when somebody job them up on the house, it's one little piece of lean up something. Should I see how it
goes? But you pretty shame on her when she come out. Oh, real estate over license plate, roops. You know we have to just go with the flow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we know the truth. And she know the truth. But just to give she a little look, because them bring her down so bad. And we see they bring down each time it come. She gonna talk about pay for friendship. No, we just a show an act of kindness and love. Even
And
when
I
I go
think you did
something on my
really like
birthday,
her, Erica.
people.
I'm not gonna lie, not because I'm silly for all, but I think you did really like her. Even though you just having a bit
We
bit.
did like
Yeah, I
her,
think Erica did like
Ratty.
her.
Me even hear Okobit do it when me sit down and listen to Okobit, me say,
We did
Jesus,
like the woman.
Okobit
Yeah,
talk
Ask
me
about
why
think
this
I think a
wild
woman
one
of my life,
war.
but I just don't like certain things about her.
Anybody
I'm
and
saying the
anybody can
people me
catch up,
say,
but
keep
every
it, you
minute you want
Okobit
war,
say.
so. And we tell her, say, done it. So every minute you want
Yeah,
war.
yeah,
Come
yeah.
and
Ratty,
repeat
And
and
me
say,
hear
come on,
Rabbit,
Erica, them never
Ratty,
war
listen
with
to
her,
this.
but because now make you war
Ratty,
big up
Erica.
yourself, Okobit, anyway you're there. You were
Ratty,
Okobit tell her
listen to this.
when the
Listen
mix
to
up.
this, Ratty. If you in a private chat and it's only 6 people in that chat, and
Yeah.
somebody leave a voice note in the chat saying y'all's a bunch of scary ass bitches, a bunch of uneducated fools, are you gonna separate yourself from that? Or are you gonna feel like the person's talking
She
to
said,
everybody in
all
that
that
group?
uno in that group, yeah. And she said, that's
Yeah.
not her word. If you hear she coming at this up, everybody shut this
Yeah,
up.
but this ears from the life is true. Me ears with my own ears.
Start this up, everybody, every mama
Because the
bumper
OC
class
them
in
for
the
one
group, she
ill.
start this up.
And the
But we
OC
just
them for
hold
one
it
ill
as a
goodie.
G, and so make she go and get off her steam. We just
She go
hold
look for the
it.
people them for the internet and say, Keiko Uncle send her $7. And just because I'm not malicious like she, I mean I do business, I mean I do them kind of suck me up, we need to see the book at truth. Remember from 2019, we're around her, you know. See, I tell me from 2019 to now, Uncle $7 Keiko send her, and she said, me never send her $1 yet. Our team post them. What team post? Where are they? For the past 2019 to now, when we out here with her, support her, show her love, you understand? And get yourself involved in the things in a concern way. And that's
And
why
I
I'm
come
telling
talk
me,
about
and
people
I'm
behind
walk
fake
away.
page. And I trouble love Sandra. She tell one whole bunch of blood clot, like, but me don't tell myself, I mean, now pussy all out myself. So anything she said, me do.
Yeah.
But even though nobody don't feel
People
no
them know
way
the
about
truth.
Love
Them know the
Sanders,
truth. Remember to them
Because
have them
everybody
own
dep
a
on the one
problem.
blood clot team.
They
So
know
anything
the
what anybody do,
truth.
them blood clot do. So you can't promote, come talk and say I want to do this, I want to do that. Me not give a blood clot what you want and nobody do.
The fear
Anything
to
what you
say
say
she
me
and
do,
her
me do.
dancer them a do.
Move your
No,
blood
Nicole.
clot.
The fear
You
to
can't
tell
let me
IG
punk
that
out
she and her
myself.
big adult daughter them a do. Yeah. The fear to tell her at the IG say, me turned around and broke my neck. She can't come in the IP address on me having that lady name. I go
Woman
down
depend
no
man
road.
Erica. But at the
Me
same
grab the
time, when
woman.
I bow down to the bomber clock body.
No,
Let's
me
say
know,
that
but
to
me just
her.
a clear me.
She thinks that people
Me
will come out
understand
and
it
come
too.
bow down. I say, me never do this, me never do that. Like your blood clot coward. Any blood clot thing you say me do. Straight.
No, me understand it, but we still have to keep on
Make she talk
target
and say anything what she want bomber clot say. Because she the coward that she look like the idiot.
Never take out a
Because
page.
she dep on the same side too. So what the bomber clot you do? Everybody else do and you not do? So the woman is like a shameless dog shit. Oh, you gonna bring me down and me bring him back down. And then come back and bring me back down again. He come back and me bring him back down again. Look at
and
this
she still there
shameless
with the man. And she still a mind the man.
Alright.
And the man still there.
And that's why anytime I tell him bring you down and it come from public platform, me have all right to bumper clot talk about it. So you look like shit out a dog batty all. And when him come back and talk again, me go repeat it again because him fuck out your all. And him a tell you say you look like shit out a dog batty all. So me go tell it back to you. Move your blood clot.
Shaky,
Erica, look at me back in my days. Look at me, Erica, back in my days.
You look good, Ratty. Still good, clean. And in a good thing. I know them Bella's pants at the time and Bella's it come out 1 December.
You thought me blood clot, Erica, and Bella's me have on your face in a blood clot.
That's one wide, Ratty. Like I know.
I'm a blood clot.
Come out and tell you, say, you look like shit out a dog, but you all me a blood clot, repeat it. Because I feel would you suck off with the shit them can it.
My God.
And I do come back, come tell you, say, you look like this shit.
Don't fuck with me now.
So
Don't fuck with me now.
move your blood clot, dirty woman.
Next time they ask me, Arati, ask you.
Don't ask me nothing. I don't got nothing to say. Last time I talked about the pretty kitty, baby, he blocked me for 2 years. I don't got nothing to say.
Every time I come out for your life, because I feel like
I was wishing the baby well. Remember, I was wishing well, all well wishes, and baby, let me tell you.
Blood clot.
After tell her, over. Woman, hold them this blood clot, yeah. It not gonna look good. But no, this is why you get. Can we not warn you to the got this blood clot? You don't listen.
The angel up above Ratty is well pleased with you. Remember me tell her that.
That's right.
God is well pleased with you. You do the
I'm
right.
never on the side of popularity. I'm always on the side of what's right. I'm always on the side of justice, on just. I don't give a fuck about being popular, having friends. I don't want everybody to like me. I don't want everybody to tell me what the fuck I want to hear. Fuck that shit. I'm always standing up in the truth because I can repeat myself 100 times and tell the same fucking story. I don't believe in that bullshit. I'm an old school, an old head.
But when everybody else in the group are chill and she come out, all of you all are fucking cowards. All of you are fucking this, that, and a different word. Remember, we ignore her, you know. But you can't ignore but so much blood clot when the woman start do. And then she go get one whole heap of thing. And every day she drop on 5 times, 10 or 20 things the woman are jumping at the group. And that's what. I remember some like ignore her.
I send back the cash up and I say $7 she owe cake or $50 she owe.
Will you say my black Anne-Marie Williams?
So she start the whole heap of irritating things. I remember saying, we're all it like a G.
To the table and a 2 bills she getting a Christmas present from one. I'm a real family member. And she don't remember that.
You're a this, you're a that. And then I drop this whole heap of blood clotting. I remember saying, we are ignore her, you know. We are ignore her, you know. And she come in every bubble clot, you know. And she drop. I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't know that. Remember, say war in this war is in the ear, Ratty. So by free coming in the group, I just be a blood clot negative and be a blood clot. That's what people are hearing.
Alright, never pull her, not let. Never pull her, no. Never pull her, no, Anne-Marie.
But we
yeah, Miss Joanne. Yeah, pull Joanne.
Blood clot. We just hold it like a G, same way. But we are hearing it because we're in the blood clot
big up her and a big up her man. Even though we know what one, we still out here talking my pride.
So when Keiko get up and Keiko start respond to blood clot, you have all right to respond to it. Because you start that blood clot word to every moment blood clot with it in there. You start that word, pan. All of you are this. All of you are cowards. All of you are that. I saw you start one. Dirty woman. If you don't, and you don't understand what you do, then put it to your blood clot. That's how you do.
Must have no respect for a grown-ass woman for herself, for her own mother while living at the house.
Because when she do wrong, she don't even know what she do.
Nobody should not have respect for us. I mean, I expect you to have respect for we. But what I'm saying, we don't want to keep on a tear when I broke way because we was around you since 2019. All your corner and go on where you go. We don't need no help for talk out our mouth because remember I have 2 phones, a tablet and a touch screen, lap and computer. You understand?
And your teeth now rock out to your blood clot head so you can't talk.
I'm a real girl, I'm a classy girl. Me not have to go down the road with you.
So when you come on a church where you want them, me could have picked up on me and you have it out same way just like Yankee. I told me just hold it like a blood clot, G. But you start that word for everybody.
Listen to the wickedest thing. Remember she had done, you know, and a peer vice note she's saying. All when she bring down the people back then, a vice note.
No, she's going like she innocent. Like, okay, let's get up on the pick up this argument.
Emoji, something, and she class up.
And look what things to do.
I said to her, okay, if you want to be a bully and you want to leave all these disgusting messages, then I'm going to be a bully too. And I start leaving her all kind of disgusting messages right back in the chat. And she didn't like that.
Talk about your mouth, Keiko.
And that's why I started leaving all the messages. Who the fuck was you talking to? You wasn't distinguishing one person from another. So as far as I'm concerned, you was talking to all of us.
So if she come in and Erica, blah, blah, blah. That wasn't the case. Shut up, what for everybody.
Get me come here eat the food I'm in a 3D. That 3D
anybody want
pretty. Real pretty.
I'm eating a 3D. I'm gonna take off the people them food off of the internet and I eat in a 3D. So 3D.
Yeah, honey. She was being a bully, so why couldn't we be a bully? Why couldn't I be a bully? She leaving all these disgusting messages and songs and shit, so I did the same thing right back to her. She just didn't expect it to come from me because she's so used to being in control. Trust me, Puss Feelings is hurt and she is shocked. She don't even understand what happened to her. But I knew.
Yeah, because you should keep on and say, all Kiko, so you're right. I shouldn't know say you say you've been an observer behavior and I watch everything since January of this year. Eh?
That's right. But when she started talking about pussy this and y'all scary bitches and all of that, you drew my hand, honey. You drew my hand with that. You thought you was just going.
And the cash app too. No. Laugh out loud. Big up yourself, my brother. How you doing? Big up everybody, yo. I don't want to do this. I never do this. I leave this thing alone. I walk away. I'm so focused. I'm so busy. But this woman is just like a scavenger, you know? She just out there looking for meat or flesh, and you know, she just keep on a pick, like when the crow them come down and I pick down on the dead meat. That's all she do. And I'm saying, just back up. We don't want to fear go through this tit for tat, this you said this and we said that, are you? No, go away. She talked last week, couple days, said, oh, a new dopey me want for bury. So, this Saturday morning, she get up with my name, Nicole name, Keiko name, and I call up a bag of people where she said talk out her mouth adamantly, so she eat them. She eat them. The way how the lady did do her in the life and the lady did bring her down in a you and her time, Keiko. Remember how she posted on the woman wicked? And talk out her mouth. Erica never bring down nobody.
And then I'm going to tell you why, another reason why she got mad in the chat too. Because like we said, we was talking about the situation with the DM. And she was saying, ain't nobody in my man inbox. Y'all don't know who in my man inbox. And we was talking about Stephanie. We was like, you don't know if he's still talking to Stephanie or not. And she swore for the man. We was like, you can't swear for nobody. You don't have his phone. And I was like, you don't know who in Hugo inbox. You don't know who he talking to. When I said she got pissed off, she was pissed.
Then the next thing, the chat, we'll kick off the real thing, because the first time I mean her catch up in there, she had tried to extort me for $200. I say I never promised her $200. You understand? Then she leave
and
her
then she wants $200 from you, but she can't stand you though. She really despises you, but she wants your $200.
Thank you. Right. Thank you.
That's how I send her cash. I'm going to send her another 100. Come we send it again.
All along my daddy I care about the woman, and when she come and I put her business, my aunt goes out for her. And my always I say, make us see what we can do for help out post. Because she said, this at my that at my rate. Me the person to strike her. I have something for do something for her to help. Because she keep on and say, I 5 days no, me not work, you know. I 3 days no, me not. And what the work what she do? She clean bathroom. She said she enjoy clean. Not even the house, you know. The bathroom is her specialty. Do man sick.
So that shows you where she put herself. That's where she placed herself in society. That's her contribution. She feels like she's no bigger than that. No bigger than cleaning toilets. She's no bigger than bagger. She's no bigger than just sitting on IG for the last 5 years accomplishing nothing. She don't see herself getting bigger and making money and being monetized. You think I want people to keep saying to me, you on Instagram all day, every day, and you ain't getting paid? Not this bitch. You okay with people saying that? I'm not okay with that.
Did that drill in our head, and we did that drill in our head. So at the end of the day, they're on internet for all this time. Zine, do something with it now, moving forward. Tanya them gone, them done with the war. Why you keep on wanting to come? And I tell you, say, you go say this up with him sister and him mama. You go say, and I pay now sister, I shall tell you. Because we never done with it. Because I keep on, I said to her, I said, the woman gone. The war over, post. Do something with your life moving forward now. Reinvent yourself now. I'm willing to teach her the YouTube step by step. Spoon feed her. And every time I go to her and say, "Puss, what you do? Let me show you how to go up on YouTube. Let me show you how to upload. Let me show you how to crop. Let me show you how to paste. Let me show you how to put logo. Let me show you the things them. Me eye hurt me. Me head hurt me. Me there drink up the time tea. And this and man
okay,
that
Nicole. And then when I say, oh, the lady don't care about nobody but herself, her children, and her kids, that's fine. We all supposed to feel like that. But correct. You saying that, but when you needed your kids to help you create shit to make money and shit to help you get bigger, they told you they busy. They don't have time. So the same people you saying you don't give a fuck about and that you don't, you know, you only care about certain things, these people trying to bring you up in life. So you're going to forever be stagnant. You're going to forever be where you are.
Exactly. People supposed to care about them kids and them family. We all know that. Rule number
we
one.
All know,
but the
and we all know we don't expect no fucking love.
Love thy neighbor as thyself.
Okay.
No man is an island. No man stands alone. That what me read. So because my Bible tells me to love thy neighbor as thyself, me show love to everybody, every creed, every genre. Me not discriminate people. And even when she did come and me, Erica, know who she was, I never discriminate her. Come hear about her. The people them from England, I don't want to call the people them name. Warn me. I say, Erica, if I see one woman named Janet Bailey send a request, don't pick her up. Don't add her. But when me see she do the burial for her family, them and her sister, and put on the nun clothes and carry her sister, go to cemetery, I was like, what? In a real life?
Your own sister. So I
follow the story because I find it amusing to see she do that. I mean, find it weird, like outside of the box. You gonna bury your own sister in a cemetery. And burn garbage and burn your sister picture just like how she burn the man family picture them.
Okay.
When they have in a prison with him and come out and she burn them just to spite the man's sister and his mother and his family them. This is how wicked. We beg her to do them something there. But
that's what Sister Rosie tells her to do. That's what Sister Rosie tell her to do, honey. Trust me.
If she go live, it's a man she have on the live. Them say I want Obe man me get the screen grabbing. And him and she ask the man, what this, what that, and the man tell her, say, you are a problem. You're your own problem. You're your own downfall. She have a man with charms and chain and beads and oil and vial upon her life today.
Wow.
This is all she do. When the woman throw out on internet and talk about she have 3 dolly. Where she got all them man go fix up. One name Nicole, one name Erica, one name Keiko. And them in her room and wait. You can't have no dolly for me, evil girl. Decomposed, corrupted, condemned by the dirty woman. Who is you? Nobody no bigger than God. So no care how you out here act like you're Goliath. You're not bigger than God. Because the David, a little youth, take a slingshot and bring him down. What you said to me? You can't come wrap me up in a nut no. I show me free-handed, I'm a kind. I'm a heart clean. I'm a easy, sorry for people.
And then not only that, another thing that I hate. We haven't been around. You know, some people send clippings or whatever. And you hear these people on her live cheering her on or whatever, accusing, saying, you know, that whatever they saying it towards me, you or Nicole. And it ain't even us under the fake page. I ain't on no fake page cursing none of you bitches. I don't see none of you. None of y'all don't mean nothing to where I'm going to make no fake page and come rub you. Any one of you bitches I have anything to say to, I'm coming on my real page and I'm going to add to your live. If not, then I'll go on a fake page and come. I only got about 2 fake pages. Everybody know it. Corey Beans. So, bitch, I'm coming on that one. I don't need to hide to curse none of you bitches. I'm not scary. I don't give a fuck. Just like Tamara. Tamara is nobody. Nobody with her fake Jamaican ass. Go sit down somewhere. Nobody knows you. You a Yankee just like me, bitch. Nothing about you, Jamaican. Talk about the something. The something. I hope Tuffy wear y'all asses out. I hope she get every dime, every piece of clothes she could get out of you two bitches, since y'all think y'all know so much. Stay the fuck up off my name with your fake Jamaican ass. Which part of Jamaica you was born in? Talk like you know you could talk, bitch. Like you went to school to talk. English, ho. Y'all kills me with that fake Jamaican shit. I'm not afraid to be who I am. I stand up who the fuck I am. Straight and brawling. You think you're going to get up on my name?
Nobody on the internet troubling this woman. This woman come 1 week ago, couple days ago, every day she come, I write me down, me not talk about them bitches, me not this, me not that. And every time she do something, or she try add people upon her life to talk negative about us, real woman who do real things in her life, she have to remember our name. And we not remember fear name. Remember, we not use you. Everybody leave you in our chat by yourself. I talk to your own self. You talk to thin ear and ghosts. Remember? Everybody come out of that leave her.
He said she was the first one to leave. Erica, she said she was the first one to leave. What a big lie.
She's dyslexic. She think things backward. She said the things them backward instead of she front way.
We were on a whole nother chat while she was over there leaving hundreds of voice notes and typing away. We was in a whole nother chat. Because we couldn't take her disgustingness. Left who where? That's your imagination.
And I see you stop talking to we. Hear this. And next hype up herself. Like, you value zero in all of us life are here. You one of the meanest thing on IG. You don't give a native prayers. Because as you don't pray, you don't put up my cash up. And you want people to cash up you for something where you hear people talk by YouTube, you come back and repeat it like say you a thing for your heart, like you have no soul and a heart. Remember, say me no. And the people them will know the truth and I read out everything. No see I want cold-hearted, real, dirty piece of work.
Was she ever sent anybody? She ever sent anybody Cash App? She ever sent anybody any of her products that she supposed was selling and posted and never put no sale, no forwarding address, no email where the people could find out the prices and order the stuff?
And everything
is it that you fucking done?
And me want to be like you. For one emulate you, I have a class A CD license, commercial driver's license in the US of A. Are you dumb? Or are you constantly going to be foolish for the rest of your life? You know, I'm nothing about you when I want to emulate or follow back.
Nothing.
You don't teach nobody out here, no. All they do is tear down woman, tear down children, tear down the unborn in a people's belly. You tear down the baby pan breast with a dirty gorilla mouth. I just tell you something now, come pan a life, come beg no cash up for your man to get deported and charge you murder, double time murder. And that me tell you, and it hurt you. And you go one side, go so with all kind of different commodity like yourself.
People that don't have shit. People with their whole life in a pencil case.
By internet make big graduation ceremony send off. And say them now, wow, in a bag mix up them done. These people when I come to me and say, Erica, may I delete my page? Come and say I pay your judgment. And sit down and take side with you. Which we don't have a problem with that. Because birds of a feather flock together. And we don't show the all I want to say. People who will go down the journey with in the past, just make it be upon a level when nobody not for go back down that part with no girl. Just all on the corner, we all our corner. Do it when I do, we do it where I do. You come and try to throw dirt out on my business. This is how vile you is and barbaric. I remember me, I one of them with it out here push something when never there. Because you build so much YouTube page and you abandon them because of your lack of knowledge. You can't remember your password them. If them anybody type in a name on IG, you have so much IG page. Because you can't remember the password them. Every minute is a new page. This is how much of a dunce back you is. And a primary school dropout. And you want to come size up yourself with we will go through things and go through life and graduate and get all forget and understand right from wrong, the right way. You come talk about street knowledge. What your street knowledge do for you? Or anyone in your offspring them in a life? No. Because the whole of your people them are criminal, including you. Make we talk the truth now. Because only the truth we are talking now. And a fiction thing around here, you know. Una their prison get deported 3 times. Una do that, live a yard, this a smoke, that a sell, this a rob, do burglary, and do all kind of evil in England with you. You're up on the internet and lie, tell the people them boy you're not shoplift no more. And the whole England knows say y'all thief the milk out of the caffeine and the people them store over there. Same way. You just maybe not do it big and major. But maybe you come thief, talk and say thief, pepper, lime, and scallion and onion and tomato, and look at them something cheap. And that's how your thiefing start and stop. This is how sick stomach it is. And we've been tell us, stop up on the live, go talk certain thing. You come on the live, come say, my father fuck me and so. Yeah, make him keep fuck out my hole. You turn to your meat cake and some of the other. So why would you say that? If your father molests you and has sex you for many, many years, that's nothing to be proud of. You should be an advocate for arrested by them father or them family member, whoever. But what you do, the first thing, me never hear this, you live a house in a Jamaica with your father. You do America and you mind your father. And when your enemy them bring you down with your father, you say, and him fuck you and you love it, and so. Remember we can go for life back alive where you're proud and say that? Instead of just go on like you hear it, you bosom it and said, and so. You're not a body. And that's why your mother ate it for over 30 odd years. You just a rekindle with your mother. And you're there live with your old mama.
I'm be right back.
In a piece of dress, in a dirty nightie. And here where your mother go say, she go give you a knife to stab me in my neck. Goes to show the type of mother you have. And them something you have facts.com. No fiction. And the story go longs and longs, girl. Cause remember we take cock mouth and a kill cock, and we take your words and a beat and teach you. We not make up lies like what you do for try to gain any form of leverage out here. You can't. Not when breath in my body. You can't come out here come tell a lie for me. Nobody no want hear nothing what you have to say. And uncle lonely and sick people like yourself want listen to your verbiage and your lie and the picture them where you paint and the narrative them where you paint out here. Everybody knows say you're at the bottom of the barrel. You never have a basic bicycle in England, much as a car. You can't talk to me where I drive a 18-wheeler. You're out of order. Lift up off of my name. Stop worry about me and remember me. Because me no remember you. I'm doing big things in life. I'm blessed and highly favored. When me I do out here, I say look at this and that to my friend them. Because I like nice things. And not everybody can buy the dear things like me and some of the people them. What have real money we can go in the store go buy the real things them. I'm hear about something. I'm here about it on everybody. Top quality. And all that you're bad by me for. Me not have to do it. Me not have to do it. Me can pack it up any day, any hour, any minute. I'm still blessed and still I got up on top of my game. Independent me name. What you said to me? Ugly, mugly, zugly, zero. Ugly woman. Nothing about you. And you're sad, miserable, delusional, pathetic. Zero.com life. Nothing about you. You can't walk in on none of my shoes them. Not even my old shoes. I just be a chat and lip. Cause what you know say they are England. You know they are America. You know they are Jamaica. They are England. We can sit down in your piece of ranking room and call up nice and decent people name. That's why I leg off of my name, man. And leg off of my friend them name. Because we not out here trouble nobody. We not out here beg no friend from no girl. And we not out here asking a help and a support. We want to come insert on yourself in a things. Somehow want to get it wrong. Somehow want to get it correct. And me just be the bigger person like other people and I say, no, X is Y, Z. No problem not in that. Want to feel like. Remember say everything wanna come with a lie that come. Can me I live in my truth. Exactly, Nicole. I'm gonna take the same kaki. And that's why I'm gonna eat her. Remember the mama come on the life, come tell her, say, come out of the house. In the landlord house where Ivy car. Come out, I'm gonna need the cellar. A big woman like you, your mama put you on the cellar. Cause that's what she been doing to you all your life. Put you under the cellar. You know you used in a life. Remember you come talk and say the whole of Rosie screw them, rev you out. Yeah? And you take a bag of man and a bad man and a bad man for do this to your baby father and do this to me and do this to this one and do this to that the one. Remember said death, you kill man, you're all kill man. You have a killer man jar all and you have a prisoner all. You don't have no God bless all. You all curse and it rub off on all your offspring them. God bless the one or the two who escape it. One tie down themselves in a church and the other one tie down themselves with somebody else where is not in them nation. And everybody else around you, big adult and them not depend them own. And you want to come out and come talk about other mothers. We feed them pitney, ill and live with them. But your pitney, them able body according to you. And the whole of them bungle up like sardine in a can. You can't chat to me. Nine of una use one bathroom. You can't chat to me. You there England pan government program and I go like say yeah, yes, that girl. And you about that life. Yes, not that girl. You're an ugly beast. That's who you is. With a big bald head. We're full up of nothing but shitty water. Pussy water, worm, slime, and maggots. That's all full of your head. You know, pure. Because it show up on the outside. Look at your obese. And you do tummy tuck and breast reduction and back and arm and all kind of sitting. A big sloppy tidy mess. Like you, the pan internet, but you dance up in a shorts and dance up in a blouse and bow your body nice, you're authentic. Weird. Do you really know the meaning of the word authentic? Because what I know about authentic, it means that you've never been touched. You're original, you're organic. Your body been touched by many doctors in a Turkey, in a Yasa, in a Dessa. And you lie and talk about authentic. This is how sick and demented you are. Dirty woman, I don't have no time for you. Because of you, I take 2 hours out of my nice, clean, happy life per internet and I feel adjust you in the right dimension. I'm not going to waste no more of my time. Because every time I do this, I just bring down myself to a peasant like you level. I'm only not depth on my level, boy. I'm only in my class. Only not accomplish what me accomplish at my age. And only not have no small account with over 100K, boy. Not to mention the big account. When I say, when you can't talk to me and that's how you eat me. Because you know I have my money. You know I have my brains. You know I'm independent. I'm full of ambition. Yeah? And that you can't take from me, boy. And that you can't take from me. You come talk about eat food at Jamaica and at 3D. How dare you? Me know you from the way. And even other people that I invite there. Say, Erica, come to Jamaica and deal with the whole of it good. You pull up in a taxi and I put in a Mercedes, Benz, and I roll with you up and down like you're somebody. I try to lift you up out of the get up of your birthday and send it to a nice luxurious hotel. And you eat the money and squander the money and never do what the money sent for you to get done. For a birthday gift for you. That's the type of friend I am to any friend what me care about. But because you're always just jealous of me, and you have an ulterior motive of all time, and your heart full up of nothing but envy, jealousy, and bad mind, that's why you do what you do. But look, you did tell me, say, Erica, when me I come here, I have people from Jamaica, Canada, America, England, all over. And when the people them hear the story, I know say you beat and teach them to behind the scene. And you chat them like a dog behind the scene. And like me say, the half has never been told. But me now go stoop to your level and go for the voice note where you send and I bring them down. And go for the picture where you put on a laugh off of them foot, and laugh off of them bottom, and laugh off of how them look, and laugh how bleaching cream do them, and laugh how them up and down. Yes, and me now go be like you. But they know the truth. They know the truth. Deep down, they know the truth. And that's why God bless Nicole, God bless Keiko, and God bless the real people them who watch with sense and analyze and understand everything while going on both sides. And when you come out here try wind up people head, you forget to you have 3-4 pages where you save all your life them. And we can backtrack and go for the things them where you say, because remember say, you don't leave nothing unturned. You don't leave, have no privacy. Everything you bring per media, every God Almighty thing you bring per media. Me see your brother Gary call you one day. I ask you, say, sis, you have the credit card? I want one saw and I want one this and one that. When call about, and you put the man on the live without the man know. I make the man rub out the same man where you talk about. You this, that, and choose. Not choose, no. You're the man boss. The man do a job. You have to pay you, Gisha, entering company, internet, come talk nothing negative about him family or anything negative about we currently. You gotta pay. And you cannot afford it. So that's why you put up a cash up and a beg. You go talk about, oh, you take our money and trick we. And you never would have make your man get girl money. Stop lying. Every dollar where you beg for your man and tell lie. Same family want kill him. Him a run for him life. Him not live nowhere. Them a abuse him. Him a suicidal. Him a go kill himself. Him say him a go jump off. You understand? Every dollar that you beg, you send go give to him. And then you put your name on the bill like say you a do. And make him think say you're nobody with money. Not knowing that you're begging in a circle and a extort people. Just to hold on to this facade that somebody finally want to be with you after 15 years of, according to you, locking your foot and I take care of grandkids. No, I know that why you lock the foot. Remember, we have the things same. But again, we're not going to be like you because we're decent people. And not because you and somebody fall out and you and them not talk, you have to leak out everything that was said and that was done. I'm not going to stoop to your level. I know better. When you go low, I go high. According to the great Michelle Obama. I never want to emulate you. I want to emulate people like Oprah that go through where you go through at some point in life. And look at Oprah today. People like Rihanna who come from a small third world country like me and become a billionaire in America. We have said to me, 30 woman, who is you for emulate? You don't have a car, you walk to the bus stop, and you keep on a draw your foot in a dirty slippers. You go a party, say you run out the other day, look like the green giant that you is, right? And your daughter sneakers, wanna call it knickers or kickers you put on. The sitting them where you bring God Jamaica, you couldn't even leave them down there with the poor people them. You bring them back to England. This is how low you is. This is how much of a zero you is. You beg the bathing suit from the woman who make it. You didn't pay for it. And everybody when you beg are your niece. My niece! My niece! Dirty woman, leave me alone. Stop bother my mouth. Go on your ways in Jesus' name. Crawl by your belly back to the pit of hell. Crawl back to your belly to your husband, Satan, because you're Satan's wife. You're not a body. Take the time out and have some class. Tomorrow, Sunday, get up and put on some clothes and go to church. Go and visit your grandson, what the system in England take away and give to another family because you're unfit and you're a criminal in the book of England. And nobody around you couldn't take your grandson, a white stranger. What are you saying? You can't talk to me. 17 years almost on the earth with my one and only star son. And he's an honor roll child. Never been in trouble with the law. Never. Him do the right thing. Go to school and come home back. Mom, I'm going to the park to play basketball. Mom, I'm going to the gym. Yeah. What you said to me? You're not in my class, in the family league, nothing. You just is a big load of blah, blah, blah. Full of papier feces. Leave me alone. I want nothing to do with you. You talk about don't come back over. Come back over where? What does your platform do for any human being on the internet right now or in the past? All your platform do a tear down woman and tear down man. And you class up the LGBT community right through. And all of them bring it down. And you turn on and eat your vomit and go back. When you look help. What have you ever done for one of them LGBT man up on the internet? Nothing. Erica and her friends, them help a lot of them when them come. Because when they discriminate. And people can be really going through serious stuff. I need just a basic little help out to stop a gap. I now go see my brother and my sister beg bread. I'm a have it and can't help them and don't help them. That's not who I am. But you do that. You promise people stroll there. And then you turn over the people them pan me and my friend them. And we help and we help. And we help and the same people them come curse way. And when me look by one at the time and Nicole and Keiko said, well, I'm to the stroller and the baby clothes and made it promise the girl. Like I said, yes, sir, the internet and say what's gonna do. This is how vile you is. But me go rest my case right now. And me go leave you for continue to do evil and continue to do the devil's work. Because you're a sinful creature. Nothing good in your pure destruction and corruption in your. And that's why you decompose little by little by little. Look on the side of your mouth. Look around your eyes. Look around your neck. Look on the big fat under your arm. Eh? Look on your side. Look on the big fat under your breast. You need beating with some lettuce and tomato and cucumber. You need beating for, you talk about tin mackerel and soft rice are your best friend. Yes, it got to be your best friend. Because you're having fast teeth and you can't eat hard food. And that's why you couldn't order the lobster when we carry out a treat you, a friend a treat another friend, and your man. Your broke pocket man when you have 2 credit card, I'm going to go down with my 2 bank card. Actually 1 bank card. Come I never need 2. The whole of my family them did down the 2. And I pay a blessed people I surround myself with in Jamaica. As far as my family. Go on your ways. Continue to try to play catch up with your old mama before she dead. Go and apologize to your sister them for all the evil you do to them and chat them left, right, and center and bring them down and set up on your sister and make sure you go to jail with our friend them or eat her. Make her talk the truth. Go and make it right with them. And leave nice and decent people alone. And stop tell lies to feed your own ego and your evil, selfish ways of cruelness so you have in your heart. Put me down now, man. The baby give birth from a couple weeks now. Right? The baby born. Where you care up on the internet, the big belly, where you that care for me. And the ladies, them, round me. The baby born. It's over. It's no more, Erica. It's finished. Me hear lady see tell her go clean up your house. Clean up your life. Change your sheet. Wash your curtain. Wash the bathroom rugs. Wash your kitchen cloth them in your kitchen. The house so you get evicted out of. From in waiting now about 3-4 times you move. From stone. We gather no mass. You're empty inside and you're empty outside. You're an empty, dirty vessel. Ugly woman. Me no want a friend from you. I could never talk back to you. Not in a this life, nor the afterlife. Because you're wicked and you're cruel and you lie. You blatantly lie. And that's everything we keep on reminding you what God hates. And one of them is the top one is lie. And in put next to that one there, when we Google it, it say, a lying tongue is abomination unto the Lord. And you come out here this morning from a nice clean name, pan Nicole and Keiko name, and all you're doing, gasping for ear and lying on our name. And I'm not going to make you tell there was vicious lies on me. About me make page, and me send money for kill this, and me. Why would I want to go those extreme for what? Look at cuss out and look at this and look at that. It's not that serious. It's never that serious for me. Because my heart clean and I have love in my heart. My heart not black and dirty like a tart heart like you. Me not bitter like Cersei like you. Me not full of rubbish and garbage like you. My heart pretty like butterfly, coconut water me drink. Yeah. Natural coconut from the tree. I buy 2 of them this morning over here. When I go to New York, I buy them $10 for one on the side of the road. And when I over here, I buy them $8 for them. I'm in a selfish like you. And I bring home the things them for my son and for my family. Remember you eat a road. Remember you lay down in a bed and piss and shit one place and then after, don't wash your hand and go eat chicken and chips. Where I said to me dirty coconut, fresh coconut for keep my clean heart. Pretty. Yeah. Cause my heart full of love. Man, I'm not eating in my heart. Some way for just leave me alone and R.I.P. Don't remember me, don't remember Nicole, don't remember Keiko, and don't remember nobody when me ever introduce you to. Cause Uko already it. I was the one who did really care about you and like you. And me hear Uko say love. You as a person. Me never judge you. I genuinely did. Then you want to plan a murderer on me. That somebody want your murderer. First he say him say Nicole. First him call up the other girl named Steph. And Steph never want it. Steph just a wind him up. What are you saying, dirty woman? Leave us alone. All of that you want vex up with people because you want people to come out and cuss Steph, and cuss this one, and I cuss that the one. And you don't agree with it. All those things are a problem. So a long time she been a pre-evil. She was just waiting on an opportunity for strike. Dirty woman go try buy a couple of them and wash off your heart. Your heart too mucky and dirty. Your heart wacky. You have a wacky, dirty heart. I don't know how you go see God's face with all of the wickedness we do upon Father God earth. And him say only a pure heart shall see God. You can't see God with the evil them we do out here and the lies them we tell upon innocent people. Go wash off your heart, ugly heart, woman. And lift up off of me in Jesus' name. The blood of Jesus against you. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Because you curse with a curse. Turn away from your wicked ways. Seek God and stop seek the devil. Stop worship idolatry. You come on internet with man this morning with him vile and him this and him that. Stop worship them there. Find yourself in your secret place of the Most High and go pray to God. Go cry out for mercy. For all you do to your mama, your sister them. You pity them or you turn them. And people with it genuinely mean you good. Where you meet. Go pray. Go ask God for mercy and for forgiveness for all of the wicked things we you do. And I talk about my nephew, my niece, my sister, my tita, my niece. You use those words for charm the people them. Not knowing say you murder them too. With your murderer mouth and your murderer tongue. Go away. Leave nice and decent people alone. Make we live a life in peace. You're not about this life. You're about the afterlife. Go on now, man. Make the undertaker them take your man. And leave me alone. Me not use you. Me not want a friend from you. I never ever want to see you in my whole entire life again. And I never ever want to speak to you again. I'm going to have nothing more to say to you more than R.I.P. and repent. The coming of the Lord is near. Remember, say we are living in the book of Revelation. Repent and turn from your wicked ways. Have a beautiful day, people. Bye-bye.